Hi there, Vince here, and today I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress themes. Okay, so we are here in our website. This is the new website that we started last time. And one thing that we need in order to have a website is for us to install a theme. Now, by default, WordPress have installed a theme for us, but most likely, in most cases, you will not be needing that theme. Or for some people who are not so techy, they settle with that theme and then use it for their own website. But WordPress is beyond like that, and you can actually make it go further. Okay, so today I'll be teaching you how to look for a good theme, and I will be also suggesting to you some of the themes that I have had an opportunity in using, and something that I can recommend on. All right, so let's dig deeper. Okay, so let me teach you first how to install a Divi theme. And for that, let's click Add New. Okay, Upload Theme, choose File. Okay, uh, Divi, let's look for Divi. Divi. Hold on. Let's this one and click Open. Then click Install. All right, so it's installed. Let's activate it. Okay, so it's activated. Let's visit the site. All right, so we have successfully installed the DV. Okay, so now that we have installed the DV theme, and also I I will demonstrate to you how to install the child theme. So add new, and then upload theme. Choose file. Let's go to our DV theme. Oops. DV child. Okay, it's the folder. Then click install. All right, then let's activate it. So as you can see, it says parent theme. All right, so this is now the child theme. Okay, now that we have discussed about the child theme and the DV theme, which you can actually see that in my previous video. Uh, let's dig deeper on some other options. So if you are here in your WordPress in your dashboard, so just go to Appearance, and then uh, in under the theme, there are several. These are the list of your installed themes inside your WordPress. So as you remember, by default, this 2020 is the one that was installed by default. But again, we installed a DV, and we installed a child theme for that. So what are the things that we can do further? So we can add actually a new theme. So you just click Add, and you can now search for other themes that you can use. And here's the good news: there are thousands of free themes out there that you can use. However, just a caution that not all themes are will suit uh, good for your website. So be careful also on how you choose it, so that your um, effort will not be wasted, your time will not be wasted. And themes are very good. At some point, some themes are really neat, and they are free, and you can use that if that one suits you. So, but better ask yourself first what kind of theme or what kind of website you are going to build. So let's say you want to build a coffee shop website. So perhaps you will just go and search a coffee theme uh, website here. So let's say coffee theme, or just simply type coffee. So as you can see, you will have some options, some free themes that you can get for your coffee theme. All right. So let's say, okay, I'll choose this cafe coffee shop. All right. So, but first we can preview it first. If how does it look? Okay. So this is how it looks when you installed it. About page and parent page, and then you can also see some or check some features here, uh, but then again we do not know exactly how are we going to um, what's this modify this one. But granted, for example's sake, let's install it. Okay, so it says that it's installed, and let's activate it. Okay, so it's now activated, and let's check it. So this is how it looks at the front end. So very simple, and it's most likely, I mean, it works like a blog by default. And let's see what it gives to us, or what kinds of options do we have when upon using this theme. So let's check theme editor. Okay, this is your theme, and as you can see, we have the style sheet and some other files here that you can modify. Another plugin where you can uh, edit the custom CSS. Okay, let's check for let's check customize. Okay, so uh, this is the things that that you can customize with this theme. Okay, you can customize the content typography, the headings typography, global typography, and take note also that most themes, even if they are free, some of them have the option to upgrade for a pro theme. Okay, so this is why which one should I use? A free theme or a pro theme? Now, it's completely up to you. If you are on a tight budget, then perhaps you can choose the free ones. But if you are in a you want to start right, okay? Granted that you want to start right, and you don't want to waste so much time for setting up your website, that you start with a pro theme. I've been uh, developing websites for the past 10 years already, and I have used myself free themes before, but later on, when I really invested for a pro theme, that's where I made my life a lot easier in setting up websites. Okay, so that's why I strongly suggest that you start right, go up theme. But granted that you are on a tight budget, then yeah, why not? Why not use just this one? Okay, so you can edit here. You can actually edit how should it look. So if you want to turn off the author, if you want to turn off the post date, so basically, every theme has its own customization options. Okay, so some themes are very naked, and you will have to customize it via code, and which makes it more difficult. Although they are more flexible than the other themes, but if unless you are quite professional already, then some of these themes are really hard to use. Okay, so that's why I still recommend to use pro themes where you can actually modify it, or it was already pre-made for you, and if you are going to modify it, then uh, it's just it won't take eternity to modify it, and it will be easy for you to modify. All right, so that's one of the options that we can do. And again, we can uh, use some other themes, and I strongly recommend that you use a professional theme. So probably your next question is, where do I get these pro themes, or what are your recommendations for professional themes? So watch my next video, and I'll see you there, and I'll discuss 4 main sources of good professional themes pre-made for your needs.